Good morning, everybody. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or whatever time you will be watching this video. Thank you for clicking on it. I will be live trading this morning on my practice account. I will be trading on my funded probably next week before Thanksgiving. I have not purchased a 50K account. I'll probably be going ahead and purchase one sometime this week. But welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I just want to do a quick overview real quick. I have everything set up here. Let me make sure I'm on the right screen, because sometimes I'll be messing up lately with when I get in a trade and you guys don't see when I actually execute a trade. But anyways, yeah, I have this wedge right here that it possibly can head down to complete the wedge down here where you see this higher time frame and internal sell side liquidity. You know, I'm just looking at what price did. It basically swept the high time frame buy side liquidity that I had marked here, which is this blue line. I'm just looking for it to tank, to be honest. I'm just looking for it to tank. It left this open daily fair value gap here for weeks now, so I feel like it's finally headed down. Especially, I feel like it's going to happen probably and all the way down here to take out this liquidity down here in January, the start of the new year. I feel like it's just going to tank when Trump officially becomes president. Yeah, so it can possibly before then go back up, invert this gap. I mean, it is another fair value gap in there. I marked the 1 hour fair value gap as well right here, and this is the London high that I have marked. So it's going over to here on the 15-minute, but price rejected the 15-minute fair value gap. This is a previous daily low, and this is the bottom of the daily fair value gap. It's in the middle of a daily fair value gap. Now I just didn't want it to be like the different color with the rectangle that I have on there. But yeah, so I'm just watching price. I'm kind of neutral as far as the bias right now. On the daily time frame, it looks like it's going to break that wedge that I have there. It can possibly break that, but I would much rather it take out a low, this previous daily low, before placing a trade. But I am aware of this 15-minute gap. I feel like it may invert it, and it's in the 9:50 macro time right now. Got 3 minutes until that time starts. So I'm on the 5-minute over here on Trading View, and I'm on the 1 minute over here on Top Step X. So it could possibly take the previous daily low. I feel like that's the draw right now with how it's moving. Let me see. It tapped into this 1 minute gap here. Yeah, so it has already tapped into this gap around 9:40, and this is also a gap here, and this is the 15-minute gap here. There was also a 5-minute gap as well that is in right now. It's in a 5-minute gap here. It's tapping into it. And even on the 5-minute, it tapped into this fair value gap right here at 9:25. So right at 9:30, it tapped into this gap here. So this would have been a nice sell opportunity, but I do not trade 9:30 open. I don't. So we're heading up to the 9:50 macro. This is the 1 minute over here. I do see this gap right here. It possibly can tap into that 1 minute fair value gap right there. Okay, it literally just tapped into it. I'm gonna mark out this low right here. could get in on this right here because technically it's like 1 minute right before the 950 macro, but it has not taken out a high or a low. It did just take out this low right here. But I don't know. Let me see. This what it would be looking like. My 1 to 2 setup, risking 50 pips to make 100. That could have been a nice entry right there, but I don't know if I would have placed that just yet. It just took out these lows. It just took out this low right here. I think I might go ahead and hop in. Just took out this low. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on in. Tired of talking about this lag, man. Well, there's that. Let me see something. Rejected off of that 5. That's where the 950 macro was at. Wrong gap. Yep, and it has officially taken out London High. So now where you going? There's a lot of imbalance down here. It done just went straight through the 15 minute like it just wasn't there. Yep, it's dangerous to get in when it's trending. You know, took out London High, so all I can do is just wait at this point. And now that I sit here and look at it, it did take out a low. It took out London low. So that should have been a displacement right there to the upside. That could have been the buy entry right there. but it's like I look for it to take out the previous daily low or a previous daily high, but technically it did take out the London low. It took out a low, it displaced, took this high out here, bam, displaced, and it took out the London high. So I was just looking for it to go ahead and take out this previous daily low once it broke this low to displace lower, but it did the complete opposite. But that should have been I did it like right during that macro time, so shame on me. But I mean, it is a practice account, you know, and this is that 50K account that I breached. Well, lag. Okay, yeah, here it is. 50K account that I breached. See, it says ineligible. So yeah, I think I missed the move. I mean, it was right there, but I just thought they was gonna trade lower. Honestly, it got so close to the wedge over here that I have on my chart, and it just displaced lower. This obviously was the move right here. It came down and displaced here. This should have been the move. Right there, perfect. I mean, technically it did take out a low. It took out London low. So missed the move. That was the move there. I have not been on my A game lately. Even though it's a practice account, it's like I take it seriously as if it's my own account. Because it could have easily been like a combine or my funded account right now, honestly. And it's like with this lag, I think that I may actually, I don't know. I'm just thinking about just doing it on my MacBook because of the lag. It kind of, I can't trade like that. I need everything to be fast. I need it to be fluid. And like when I click on something, I need it to work. I don't need to be lagging. And when I want to work on something, I want to be able to do it quick. Like, but yeah, I missed the move. So this was an L day. I do the 2 trades, but it's already 11:01, and the way it tapped off of this 5-minute gap right here, I mean, is the move is done. The move is done. There could be like a chance for a reversal, but this was the move here. It took out the London low. It took out a low. It displaced. This was the move. I don't know how I ended up missing that. I was looking at the previous daily low and just thought that it was gonna go down and take out that low, but it didn't. Yeah, so I missed out on a good one this morning. It was right in front of my face. Took out London low. Took out a low. That was my setup, literally, and it hit it right before 10 o'clock, right at the macro. Like, there's no really excuse why I should have missed that trade, but I mean, it's nothing else. The move has been made, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. It happens. I'm trading on a basically tape reading. It's like basically paper trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think if I'm going to create some content about trading, because I have to like take in consideration there's a lot of people that don't know about trading. I'm just talking as if you know about trading, but if you really completely don't, I wouldn't mind doing like a complete video explaining what trading is, what forex is, what futures is. It's basically the same thing, but yeah, so I might do a little video talking about that. and ICT concepts and all of that good stuff to kind of get everyone caught up. But the best thing to do is just go on YouTube, look up search trading. I came up on Swaggy. That's the main person I came up on. There's some other YouTubers as well, like Jeremy Cash, Mamba, who else? I think that's about it. Oh, Kenzo, can't forget about Kenzo. I think that's about it as far as YouTube is concerned. And it's like now, as far as streaming, when it comes to ICT concepts, Kenzo, Tanya Trades, Tyler Trades, I think TT Trades, I think that's what his channel name is, and of course ICT. So yeah, when I switched over to ICT, Smart Money Concepts, those are the traders that I kind of follow. But Kenzo really introduced me to trading, like I explained in my trading journey. A shout out to him. I didn't give him a shout out either, but I'm still in his community. I go in there from time to time, but it's like I'm really learning, like, when you be in Discord chats, you really have to be on your own and not depend on the signals, not depend on, I mean, if it's education, you can't, you always can learn, but I've just found, instead of being in the chat all the time, it really helps just be on your own and take your own trades. Don't be focused on what everybody else is doing, because everybody have their own strategies that's in the chat. One person may be trading this way and another person may be trading that way, and it's like, you just really have to find out what's best for you. And once I found what was best for me and what really helped me with my trading, I just took off with it. But I just thank God for stumbling upon Kenzo, to be honest. Like I said, Swag is my foundation, and Kenzo, basically helped me a lot, because he used to trade a lot, and I see how he trades live. He don't really trade live like that anymore on YouTube, but when he did, he gave a lot of gems out, man. He gave out a lot of gems, and I'm still in his chat. I go in from time to time. I haven't been in there for some weeks now, but yeah, man, shout out to Kenzo, bro. Like, he's the truth. If you haven't heard of him, his YouTube channel is the Forex Heist on YouTube. He don't post as much as he used to, but he have some videos up on YouTube. But yeah, man, I just want to do a little brief what I expect from this to do on this channel. And yeah, like I said, just want to show my journey, wins and losses, but I've come a long way, man, and it's been a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of tears, a lot of, like, just, man, if you've been trading, you automatically know, man, it's a struggle, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like I'm better now. I'm a way better trader now. So yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.